Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Skrill. Now, the first important thing to know before I proceed with this is that PayPal and Skrill do not actually allow direct transfer between the wallets. The only way to move money is indirectly using a linked bank account or card. So what you do, you can come here to transfer money, right, or just your wallet, and then make sure you add a bank or card. You link one. So if you choose bank, you just enter your bank, name, you search that up, enter your details, or you can link a card as well. But once you have it, let's say this one, it's linked to your Skrill as well. So you'll basically transfer money from PayPal to that bank account or card that is linked to Skrill. Okay, and then you just begin to transfer money. So you come back and transfer money, choose transfer to your bank, you choose that bank account, right? That is, of course, linked to Skrill. Then tap next, enter the amount, and tap next again, and just make the payment. Okay, transfer. There you go. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.